We all want to be healthy and fit, but sometimes it's hard to know where to start. That's why we're here to talk about two of the most nutritious nuts out there, walnuts and almonds. Did you know that walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Which also contains calories, carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, protein, fat, calcium. These nuts also contain manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, and iron. Take a look at the shape of this bean like a brain. Often indeed the resemblance contains the necessary ingredients and is very good for certain organs. For example, walnuts are good for improving brain function. The healthy fats present in them are important for brain health, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. And almonds are packed with vitamin E, which helps keep your skin glowing and your immune system strong. Plus, they're a great source of protein and fiber, and high in magnesium make them the perfect snack. Consuming these foods regularly can replace makeup, make the face more beautiful and healthy. If you consume minerals, enough vitamin E, then your face will glow by itself. If you regularly eat just 7 almonds every day, then our heart risk will decrease. So next time you feel hungry, skip the processed junk food and grab a handful of these nutrient-dense nuts. Your body will thank you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thank you for watching.